What is up guys, this is LOL and today we're going to be reacting to KSI hitting 10 million subs on his other channel. The video is called The Only YouTuber with 2 Diamond Play Buttons, and I heard it's epic, so let's see what it's actually like. And here we go. There's the play button. And here comes Beerus. Snatches it away.
Beerus! It's time to give me what I want. The diamond play button. So you want to play? You want to play with me, huh? You want to play?
Damn!
Is that all you got?
Blast that motherfucker! Yeah, cool.
What do you think this is?
Here's with a comeback. Why is he laughing? Why don't even fly? How about that?
Too slow.
Shit. It seems like Beerus is going to transform. Damn. Kind of funny though.
Oh God. Your power level is unreal. I didn't see this coming.
Yeah, it is. Now the real fun begins. Here it comes. No effect. Yes, I can beat up.
God.
And here it comes again. And he's been knocked out.
I can't beat him. He's too strong.
I guess he's gonna
There's only
transform
one way
now.
to beat him. I'm gonna need to transform.
Yeah, it's
But I
happening.
don't know if I'm ready for it. I don't
Yes,
know
you
if
are.
I can.
Show us the blue hair.
If I can reach that power level yet. There's only one way to find out.
Yeah. Kind of feels like I'm ready for the first time.
Welcome
Yeah.
to my
No blue
new
hair, though.
form. Way too slow.
Yeah. Damn. Shit's getting real now.
Bitch.
Not this time.
What is this? Is this all you've got? Oh, dear God!
Yes, big as fuck. Spirit bomb that ass.
Alright, it's time to end this. Barris,
Damn
you
straight it
really
is.
think you were strong enough, huh? You really thought you could defeat me? Not today! Give me my diamond play button, bitch! Ah! It is mine! Suck your balls!
Suck your mom! Damn, my eyes hurt now. Did you get it? He got it.
Yes! Yes! Woo! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I have two of these bad boys. Jesus, your boy
That's great, he
is
does.
stuck in diamond plaques. The only YouTuber to have 2 diamond plaques. It's mad. But in all seriousness,
I'm not sure
thank
about
you guys
that.
so much for all the support that you've given me. We're doing this shit for 10 plus years, man. And it is crazy just
That's a
all
long
the
ass
things that
time.
I've accomplished. It's unreal. And I'm always still breaking boundaries, always changing people's perception on what a YouTuber can do. Yeah, man, this is
That's
huge.
right, that's why I'm
to
making
have
this
2 of these,
video.
man. Mental. And if Simon hits 10 mil before the end of the year, yo, I'm gonna have 3 of these. But yeah, big up my friends, my family, my girlfriend for getting me into this position, and yeah,
Cool,
it's
that was
and
hairy.
of course, big shout out to Mo, the editor, Mo Saeed, Saeed. I like saying Saeed. But yeah, big up to him. I definitely would not have got these bad boys. Well, okay, maybe this one without him. Definitely not this one without him. But yeah, nah, he's helped me a lot. And of course, how could I forget? Big up Bro Shep, fam. Brosheb has done a madness. Like, did you watch that shit? What the hell was that? It's mental. You know, if you haven't subscribed to Brosheb, subscribe to him, fam. I'm sure he's going to be producing even more content for you guys. Yeah, this has been your boy KSL GDBT. Yo, we did it, baby. We did it. Are you mad? Yo, mwah, mwah. All right, yo, I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care. Peace.
And that was it. This is my first ever reaction video, and I've been a long time fan of KSI. He actually kind of inspired me to make this reaction video. I hope you guys like it, and I hope he sees it as well. That would be great. If you like my reaction, just subscribe. I'm gonna be making more stuff about like fitness and other things like this, reaction videos, maybe mukbangs as well. I'll think about it. This was my first ever video. Tell me your reviews in the comments and tell me what you thought. Peace.